Hi everyone, welcome back to Yedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi 9A mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then remove the SIM tray and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and then remove the board cover by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera from the board. Gently pull the adhesive with the camera. To take out the rear camera, you need to take out the logic board from the body. First, disconnect the LCD connector and the antenna head from the logic board. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body using a tweezer. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working back camera from the rear side of the logic board. Next, place and secure the new back camera on the board. Next, secure the logic board on the body. Next, connect the LCD plug and then connect the antenna head to the logic board. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also remember to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.